What's going on YouTube? It's your guy KashDaKoolDad back again with another video. Cartoon Cash 3D 1. So today, man, I know y'all like Cash. Why you have 3D 1 and your test panel in front of you? Aha! Because I will be teaching you guys how to paint correct with a one-step featuring your guy Cash. So without further ado, hope y'all enjoy this video, and if y'all do, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and share this to everybody in the world. Because it's your guy KashDaKoolDad saying, let's go to class. So here we go, YouTube. If y'all been around, y'all saw this test panel in the past videos, but we showing it again in the future video. You see all them swirls? I'm gonna try to, well, I can't get none of this. This is too deep, this deep. However, you can see the swirls, and I'm gonna try to go on and handle that for y'all. You can see them right up in here. I'm gonna try to get this whole little spot, man. Do a big spot for y'all, so y'all can see what's going on. So without further ado, let's go on and groove, baby. Stay tuned. So first step, Cash like to grab some surface prep. Whatever surface prep you use, this is the surface prep that Cash been using. Thick foam, but I'm not using a foam gun today. I'm using just a towel, some water, and this here surface. What's going on there, brother? How you making? Oh yeah, everything good here. Just a quick YouTube video. Yeah, I ain't popping willies today. I might get on later and ride. Alright, take it easy. So again, like I said, Cash is the man, but surface prep. So here we go. Uh-oh, I don't want jet. Bam. And even after this step, I'm gonna be coming through with the clay. This is just how Cash do it. Surface prep. Remember guys, you will be seeing foam on this part, but since I'm not using a foam cannon, you don't see no foam. Now, while this is wet, let me go in and grab the clay. Alright guys, so I'm back with my clay and with my Project Throwback Clay Lube. This is how I prep my surfaces for ceramic coating. Cash tricks, tips. Man, y'all have to get y'all one of these. The sponge is good on your hand. It's good on your grip. Now, you rinse everything off. And while that's rinsed, you come back with your prep again. So I'll be right back while, let me put this up. Now you come back with your some Grills Garage, wipe down your area again. This time it's just, you just want to get the clay lube product. If you use any clay lube product, you want to just get it off. You want to come back in, you want to rinse it off. You want to make sure your paint surface and stuff like that is super clean. And if it's not, it will show on your pad. Most time it shows up anyway, because as soon as I finish with this, there's micro abrasion dust that's in the air that's about to get on here. So, you know, let me go on and rinse it off and then dry it off. Make sure there's no transfer, no product left over. Everything is good. And again, this is how Cash do it. It's no right, it's no, so there's right or wrong way on prepping your surface. However you prep it, that's how you prep it. This is how Cash prep it. So a quick recap: get you a panel, get you a car, canvas, whatever it is. You want to come through and you want to clean it with some surface prep. After you clean it with a surface prep, you want to come through with your clay. Clay it off, get the surface real smooth to the touch. After you clay, you want to surface prep one more time. And that's where we at. So without further ado, let's get to the next step, baby. Here we go. 3D1 hybrid compound and polish with a microfiber pad right there. You could cut, polish, all that with that one pad right there. So you just got to know what you're doing. And it's all about the hand speed. So as y'all can see, I already taped it off. Cash is going to be tackling this side, and I'm going to let this side do what it do. Remember, I can't do nothing with these. These are deep. It's all the micros on the surface that you'll see, that you guys saw already with the sun. And I'm going to have my light out because I'm about to go on and start testing. So come on, let's get to it. See the swirls. Uh-oh, come on. Get right. There they go. On both sides. Both sides. So let me see what I could go on and do. Cash, be right back. 4 pea-sized drops. You wanna work them in. Work it in. Work it in just like so. Just like so. No stop, just bring in little to no dusting. Exactly what you need. Showed you guys work time and cycle time. It's great for this 3D1. Time to wipe off and clean my pads. Be right back. So here we go after taking the line off. You can see it already. Taking the tape off, I should say, taking the line off. There we go. Then you come on this side. And there you have it. And that's how you one step, two step. You do a two step with one product. So it's a 3D all into one. It's an all into one product. You do all things in one. You get you a nice pad and you come through. I had my speed on 5 and it was real slow passes. And as you can see all the swirls here. You can see that line. Then you come on this side and it's just real. It's so clear. Look, you can start seeing a square. It's having a hard time focusing. The depth and quality. And then you can see the flakes in this thing here too. So that's how you paint correct. Cash be right back with some final thoughts. So YouTube, again, it's your guy KashDaKoolDad. Hope you enjoyed that video on how I do a paint correction and get ready for ceramic coating. So the title of this video is taking you guys to class, taking you guys to school, teaching you all how to paint correct using 3D1. So you could do 2 steps, 3 steps, all into one. I just showed you. So to reiterate on what we did, we got us a canvas, i.e. this test panel. Second, what we did, the most important thing, we prepped this surface with Grill's Garage surface prep. After that, we came through with Pro J, throwback lube, and we clayed that section. Well, the whole thing. We clayed the whole thing. After the clay process, we came through again with Grill's Garage surface prep. After we prepped the surface, I masked it off. After masking it off, I used 4 pea-sized drops of 3D1 on a microfiber SPTA cutting pad, polishing pad. This pad, you can do both. It's a cutting pad, it's a polishing pad, depending on your speed. If you go through with a nice, you can polish. But if you slow it down, you can correct. So that's why you guys seen me do 2 different speeds. I was slow for the correction, and then I came through fast for the polish. However, I enjoyed it. So it's no however. But look, man, if y'all enjoyed that video, thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, leave some comments in the bottom, follow me on all my social medias. It'll all be in the description. And without further ado, it's your guy KashDaKoolDad. We grooving, saying peace.